I'm at 8970 Southwest 56th Terrace in Miami, Florida. This is the vent stack, approximately about 13 feet. I'm in the main line here. That's just some debris. As I start pulling back, starting to come up the vent stack. This is the area that was troubled. It's been coated. Coming up. Now I'm up the stack. This is coming up the stack. Stack has been coated. On the roof.